Doing some redneck fireworks. Ready, Russ?
Yeah.
Yeah!
That was last.
Boom.
That something went up there, boy.
Hey! Oh! It's coming!
Look at the dust. Smoke.
I can't see! I'm starting to coming straight down!
That's the way it was the other night, too.
Oh, what's the hair, baby?
Yeah! It's coming this way. It's gonna land it down here. Now it's landing down here. It's landing over here.
Just catching.
Damn it!
Oh.